everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the Queen from the 14th to the 18th of December 2020 on Monday. An old friend has Jekyll questioning his life. Schumacher and Paul have a shocking surprise for Thando and Hector on Tuesday. Sipho makes some demands of Schumacher. Jekyll and Solly go for a night out that takes a surprising turn on Wednesday. Schumacher makes Hector a tempting offer. Solly offers Jekyll a chance to buy into his business, but there is a catch on Thursday. Thando has a surprise for Mpho. Solly reels in his unsuspecting fish on Friday. Thando plays her ace and it looks like Schumacher's dream will crumble. A lot of money is handed over for a dream investment. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. If you want the full episode, please leave your comment. I will send you the link. Bye.